16th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and we will do the Sanskrit today after this short prayer to the spiritual master. Om Ajnanatimarandhasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Reading from the 16th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, going first in the Sanskrit. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhir Jnana Yoga Vyavasthiti Danam Damascha Yajnascha Swadhyayastapa Arjavam Ahimsa Satyam Akrodhas Tyaga Shantir Apeshunam Daya Bhuteshu Alloluptvam Mardavam Hrir Achapalam Teja Shamadhriti Shacham Adroho Nati Manita Bhavanti Sampadam Devim Abhijatasya Bharata Dambho Darpo Bhimanascha Krodaha Parushyamevcha Ajnanam Chabhijatasya Partha Sampadam Asurim Devi Sampad Vimokshaya Nibaddhaya Surimata Mashucha Sampadam Devim Abhijatosi Pandava Dvau Bhuta Sargau Lokesmin Deva Asura Evacha Devo Vistara Shah Prokta Asuram Parthame Shunu Pravrittim cha nivrittim cha janana vidurashuraha na shaucham na pichacharo na satyam teshu vidyate asatyam apratishtam te jagad ahur anishwaram aparaspara sambhutam kim anyat kama hetukam etam drishtim avashthabhya nashtatmanolpabuddhayah prabhavantya ugra karmanaha kshaya jagato hitaha kamam ashritya dushpuram dambhamana madanvitaha mohadgriti grihitva sadgrahan pravartante shuchivrataha chintam aparimeyam cha pralayantam upashritaha kamopabhoga parama etavad iti nischitaha asha pasha shaterbaddha kamakrodha parayanaha ihante kamabhogartham अन्यायेनार्थशन संचयान idam adya maya labdham imam prapse manoratham idam asti idam api me bhavishyati punardhanam aso maya hata shatrur hanishye cha paranapi ishwaroham aham bhogi siddhoham balvam sukhi adyo bhijanvanasmi konyosti shadrisho maya yakshe dasyami modisya iti agyan vimohitaha aneka chitta vibhranta mohajala samavritaha prasaktaha kama bhogeshu patanti narakeshu chau atma sambhavitaha stabda dhanamana madanvitaha jadante nama yajnaste dambena vidhipurvakam ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodham cha samshritaha mam atma paradeheshu pradvishwanto bhya suyakaha tanaham dvishatah kruran samsareshu naradhaman shipyami ajasram ashubhan asurishva eva yonishu Asurim yonim apanna mudha janmani janmani mam aprapyeva kaunteya tato yanti adhamam gatim trividham narakasyedam dwaram nashanam atmanaha kama krodhas tata lobhas tasmad etam trayem tajet ete vimuktah kaunteya tamo dware sribhir naraha acharyati atmana shreyas ततो याति पराम गतिम यह शास्त्र विधिम उत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारतः na sa siddhim avapnoti na sukham na cha param gatim tasmat shastram pramanaste karya karya vyavastitau gyatva shastra vidhanoktam karma kartum iharhasi. Om Tat Sat iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yog Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Devi Rasir Yogo Asur Bhava Yogo Nama Shodasho Adhyaya Hari Om Tat Sat. Okay, so now that we did that, now we'll go each one doing one verse at a time. Starting with Sutapa Mataji, then Varshana, and then Sadhana Mataji. Okay, let's get going.
Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Abhayam Shatta Shamarshoti Jnana Yoga Vavastita Danam Damascha Yajnascha Yastapa Arjavam.
Very nice.
Hare Krishna. Ahimsa Satyam Krodhas Tyaga Shantir.
Akrodhas.
Ahimsa Satyam Akrodhas Tyaga Shanti Apekshunam Daya Bhuteshva Loloptvam Mardhavam Harira Achapalam.
Good.
Sadhana Mataji.
Teja Kasham Rikta Sucham Adroya Nati Manita Bhavanti Sampadam Daivim Abhijitasya Bharata.
Bharata. Okay, very good. Good.
Text 4. Dampo Darpa Vimanascha Krodha Parusham Evacha Aggananam Chavijatya Partha Sampadam Ashurim.
Very good. Abhijatasya. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Abhijatasya. Okay, good. Varshana Mataji.
Mataji, the C won't be pronounced.
Devi Sampadvi Mokshai.
Sorry, Sutapa.
Mataji, sorry. That Agganam Nanam Avijatyasha.
Hmm.
Okay.
Agyanam. Yeah, Agyanam Chabhi Jatasya.
Okay.
Varshana.
Yes, Mataji. Devi Sampadvi Mokshai Nibandhaya Surimata Mashuchaha Sampadam Devim Abhijatosi Pandava.
Tvayu Buddha Sargo Lokeshvin Daiva Ashura Evacha Daiva Vishtara Ashya Prakta Ashuram Bharata Mesru Mu Shunu.
Very nice.
Text 7. Pravittim cha nivrittim cha jnanana vidur ashuraha na shaucham napi chacharu na satyam tishu vidyate.
What is this one?
Jnana. Jana.
Jana.
Jana. Yes. Sorry. Yes, Mataji. Janana vidura shuraha. Okay. Varshana Mataji.
Yes, sir. Text 8. Asatyam apratishtham te jagat ahur anishwaram aparasparam sambhutam kim anyat kam hetukam.
Good.
Hare Krishna.
Etam drishtim evashtapya nashtato mano ipi buddhayaha prabhavanti ugra karmanya kashyasya jagato hita.
Right. So whenever this K and a H is there, right? It is pronounced like Sha, like Kshatriya, Shat, right? Like that. So Shaya, Shayaya, Shayaya, Jagato. Like very good. Let's go to text 10. Yeah.
Text 10. Kamam ashtrita dushpuram Dambho mana madanvita mahat gritva grahan pravartante shuchibrataha.
Okay. So now when you're reading the Sanskrit, just also pay attention to if there is a bar on top of the A or if there is no bar, right? So this will be
Yes.
kamam, right? It won't be kamam.
Yeah.
Kamam, right? And then while we're reading Sanskrit, also here in this reading practice, make sure that you are reading from your, you don't allow your mind to read it. Right? Allow your eyes to read it because mind always has got some conceptions in it that this word is this, right? Like jana and jnana. Mind is telling you it's jnana. Most of the time I'm reading jnana, so this must be jnana, right? But if you put your eyes over there, you'll notice that no, it is not jnana, it is jana written here, right? So now that you're reading for the next verses, make sure that you connect your eyes with the verses. Okay? All right, next, please. Let's go. Chintam.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Chintam aparimayam cha paryantam upashrita kamo kamopabhog parama etavat iti nishchita.
Okay, let's go to
Asha pasha
hold on.
shate. Oh,
Hold
sorry.
on. Yeah. So kamo, you said kamo, and then you started using your mind because you said this is kam and upabhog. So then you said kamo, and then you stopped, and then you said upabhog.
Kamopabhog.
So you can't say kamo and upabhog.
Kamopabhog.
Right? Either you say kam upabhog, right? Or you combine both of them together, and you say kamo pabhog. Right? You cannot say kamo and upabhog. Where is the upabhog written here? Right? Where is the you here?
Okay.
There's no you there, right?
Yes,
So,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
So don't apply. Yeah, when you're reading with your eyes, don't
Yes.
use your mind. Kamo pabhoga parama
Yes.
etavad iti nishchitaha. Right. Okay. Okay. Let's go back to Sutapa Mataji. Use your eyes. You okay? Sutapa.
Sadhana Mataji.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Sadhana Mataji. Sorry.
No, that's all right. Asha pasa satir badaha kama kroda paraya naha itante kama bhogatam anya yanata sana chayan.
Yes, and I could see, Sadhana Mataji, that you were definitely deliberately looking at the, each word very carefully. And so I could definitely see that this time when you're reading it, you were more at ease. Because I know Sanskrit and Hindi don't come as a natural language for you. So it's difficult. But if you apply that, right? So here, this one is I with a bar is E. So it'll be E hante. E hante, right? And when there is a big word, we just go slow. Anya ye nartha, right? So anya ye and nartha. Anya ye nartha sanchayan. Okay. Now, Sutapa Mataji. Yeah, good.
Yeah. Mataji, I have a question. You told that the A with a bar, so we have to pronounce that a little bit like
Strong.
as a long.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Anything with a bar.
Shanchayan.
Yeah, yes. Any vowel with a bar is pronounced a little longer.
Okay.
Right? Is A, E, I, O, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Text 13, 15. Idam adya maya lodhvam imam prapshya manoratham idam ashitam api me bhavishyati punardhanam.
Okay. So let's look at what was this?
Astidam.
Okay.
Astidam.
All right. Now, who's next after you?
Me. Asumaya hata shatrur hanishyaye chaparanapi ishvaro aham bhogi ishvaro. 1 minute, Mataji. Ishvaroham aham bhogi setoham balvan sukhi.
Very good.
Adhayo Pijan Avan Ashmi Konyosti Sadrasomaya Yakshe Dasami Midishye Iti Agyanan Vimohita
Adhyo. It's Adhyo. It's the D with a
Adyo.
Adhyo. Right, yeah. Is that the D thing? Okay.
Take 16. Aneka chitta vivarantre sorry. Moha jala shamarvritaha prakshat prakshaktaya kama bhogeshu patanti narakeshu chaha. Shuchau.
Shuchao.
Mataji. Shuchau or shuchaha? Shuchau.
Shuchao. Yeah, Shuchao.
Chau. Okay.
Yeah.
Patanti narakeshu chau.
Okay. Next one.
आत्मा संभाविता स्तब्धा धनमान मदान्विता यजन्ते नाम यज्ञस्ते दम्भेन अविधि पूर्वकम्
Dambhena vidhi. Dambhena
yes
purvakam. Okay.
दम्भेन विधि पूर्वकम् दम्भेन विधि पूर्वकम् correct
Yes. Fantastic.
Ahankaram
Ahankara.
balam da
Ahankara.
ahankaram. Yeah. Ahankaram balam darpam kamam krodam cha samshrutya mam atma paradeshu pradvinshanto bahasyu yaka
Right?
Bashyu
Yeah. So this one is
Deheshu.
Deheshu. This is
Deheshu.
Deheshu. Yeah, Deheshu. And this is Bhya
Yasu
Su Yakaha. Bhya Su
Yasu
Yakaha.
Yakaha. Yasu Yakaha.
Yeah. Bhya Su Yakaha. Okay, very good.
Yasu Yakaha. I guess the difficulties in knowing where to split, right?
Yeah, to split. And that'll come from practice and knowledge of the word. Like that, yeah. So with practice it will come. Okay, yeah.
Mataji, Sonia Mataji joined.
All right.
Sonia
So,
Mataji,
Sonia
you can read.
Hare Krishna Mataji, I will read.
Okay, takes 19.
So you will be reading always after Sadhana Mataji. Okay. And we are only
Okay.
doing one verse, everybody. Only one verse in Sanskrit. Yeah.
Okay. Hare Krishna, Danvat Pranam everyone. Tan aham divista tha guru ran sama sarresu naradha dhanam sipame ajasaram asubahan asu is eva yonisu.
Right.
Hare
So
Krishna.
few things. While you're reading next time, just make sure that your eyes are catching the word. So this is samsareshu. Right?
Okay.
Samsareshu. Naradhaman. And this is like from the Kshatriya. This is Kshatriya. K and S with a Ksha. So this is Shipamya. This is Mya. My is always a Mya. Mya. Like you say Tyagi. Tya. Like that, right? The Y is mixed with it. So Mya. Shipamya. Ajasram. Ashubhan. Tan aham dvishata kruran. Samsareshu naradhaman. Shipamya ajasram ashubhan asurishva eva yonishu. Like that. Okay, back to Sutapamaji.
Yeah. Text 20. Ashurim yonim apanna.
Apanna.
Yes. Apanna. Mudha janmani. Mam aprayo vikanteya. Tato yanti avamam gatim. Adhamam gatim.
Very good. Okay, next one. Next verse.
Hare Krishna Mataji. त्रिविधं नरकस्येदं द्वारं नाशनम् आत्मनः काम क्रोधस्तथा लोभः तस्माद् एतत्त्रयं त्यजेत्
Tyajet. Tya.
Yeah.
त्यजेत्
Tyajet.
त्यजेत् त्यजेत्. Thank you.
Iter vimyukta kundaya tamadvaras tribirnaraha acharatya atmanye shreyas tato yati param gatim.
Okay. Next verse.
Yaha Shastra Vidhim Usrajya
Utsrujya.
Bharatat
Utsrujya.
Usrajya
Ut.
Vartat Ut
Mm,
Utsrajya
Utsrujya. Yeah.
Srajya Vartate Kamakarantaha Nasa Siddhim Avapnoti Na Sukham Na Param Gatim.
Very good. Okay. Next verse.
Text 24. Tashmyakshastram pramanam te karya bhavasthitau gyatva shastra vidanuktam karma kartum yaharhashi.
Very good. Okay. So that brings us to the conclusion of this chapter as well as at 7 o'clock. So perfect. Very good timing. And we will continue this. We will have our Bhagavad Gita session tomorrow, Monday at 7 o'clock p.m. And today in the evening, we're having a fantastic class by His Grace Vaisheshika Prabhu at ISV. So please do join. And I will talk to you either later in the evening or tomorrow.
Mataji, yesterday class the sloka or that song. So are you going to post it in the nityashankirtan.com? The song we did last night, last class.
वो हमारा जीवन सदा पापे रहता.
Yeah.
Okay, it's available on KK Song. I will send you the link on WhatsApp.
Okay,
Okay.
Mataji. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's a Bengali song. You'll like it. Panchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavnebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo Namaste. Hari Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Thank you for joining here, all of us on Facebook and on the Zoom. Have a fantastic rest of the day.